Good morning, my name is Heider Slater. Introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Heider Eins. Today it goes total about my daily activities and some of stitch products which every day. It also shows Joe their pricing and the habits me. Opinion and stance late by each always every my name is Heider and today's ingoit total is about me daily activities and some of the process I use every day. It also so you take presets and habits me opinions about stage late begins. Daily simply continuous activities present. I utsajib was says immediate in the morning things taken at shower boots, mitea and heavy dress for watch, breathe now in habit, mid breath idrit, aka ut and isometers at breaks got good words from Monday to Friday and Utsalit head on Ome around 6 p.m. in the day events in watching TV or reading about some teams go dinner and clients things before a gun stop by it always takes me punish and talk with me family. Products, prints and openings. It is an summit which takes products which every day touch it costs 3.500 things is fire princes bands it light for many days those coffee is costing 8,000 per by lobby coach expensive boots today words 3 shampoos brush cost 6 es ready relax 2 hours 4 brands is 2,000 is charged and fresh of wheat eat every morning 5 milk each cost 3 reasonable price because each bar breakfast average diet elite stage price are good average some prices are ill expensive beauty are a good quality.
Yes.
Imperative sentences habits introductions. Nos leas mid habits yo some simple teach for the I lifted wakit ut airs and star John die with energy and breathes before Joe go to work. Boyfriend's production way Joe would snooping ceremony become party pieces take care of what yourself and always stay positive.
Ya.
Espera, que hay mucha gente ahí, suave. Conclusión. Ya. Thanks all for that today. Test Army daily activities and some projects which every day. Remember that organize your team but while your reals net and enjoy every moment. Thanks you for watching. Sí, ya la pausé.